Have you ever had a supplier raise their prices and thought, great, now I have to recalculate every single product markup again? If you run a small business, you know how frustrating that can be. You spend valuable time changing product cost, recalculating markups, double checking your math, and hoping you didn't miss anything. Every minute you're updating spreadsheets is time you're not helping customers or growing your business. That's exactly why I created Simple Price Manager. Simple Price Manager is a Google Sheets tool that lets you quickly update your product lists and cost without rebuilding your entire price sheet. Simply enter your products and their cost, then configure up to 3 retail markup levels that fit your business. Simple Price Manager automatically calculates your retail prices and generates a clean, sorted product price list. No complicated formulas, no subscription fees, no expensive software to learn. When supplier costs change, simply update your product costs and let Simple Price Manager do the rest. In seconds, you'll have a printable spreadsheet with your products sorted and 3 retail price levels already calculated. Whether you own a feed store, a retail shop, a boutique, or another small business, Simple Price Manager helps you spend less time updating prices and more time running your business. At Kim Simple Solutions, my goal is simple. Create affordable tools that solve real business problems without unnecessary complexity. If that sounds like something that could help your business, click the link below to learn more about Simple Price Manager. And if you enjoy practical tips for simplifying your business, be sure to like this video and subscribe. I'll be sharing more simple tools and time-saving ideas every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.